Hello there! Let's make some fried rice tofu. Get your garlic smashed and peeled, minced up nicely, and put it aside. 2 spring onions, chop them in about half an inch and set it aside. This is leftover onions from another dish, so why waste? Mince them up, chop them up, and put them aside. Fried rice is often like leftover. Here I have 2 cup frozen vegetables. Got peas, green beans, corn, and carrots ready to roll. I don't have to buy each one separately. This is my homegrown bean sprouts. I was using 2 cups, but you don't have to. I love bean sprout. This is leftover cooked rice from yesterday. It was in a fridge for overnight, so it's a little tough. This one was a little bit dry, so it was great for cooking fried rice. I'm gonna get about 4 cups, and while I'm getting this out, go ahead and break them up so it's easier for you to work with when you're trying to stir it around in the pan. I have 3 eggs left. Right there, ready to roll. I love soft tofu, but medium firm is all I could find today. So I'm going to cut it out and drain out the water. Remove the tofu from the container and try to squeeze out some water. See, this firm tofu, it's a little firm and it's kind of like spongy. It's rough on the side. I don't know why I keep squeezing it. It feels funny, so I keep squeezing it. You need to get some paper towels and sort of soak out some excess water. I cut these into small strips, but it's up to you. Whatever size you want to cut, that's totally fine. I mean, that's the beauty of cooking at home. You just do what you want to do. You can cut the star if you want. You can cut heart shape. You have a daughter who loves heart shape tofu. Go for it. I'm gonna bake these for a little bit to dry out a little bit more. And my oven at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. Let's go over some ingredients. I got oil, a pinch of salt, about half a teaspoon of sugar, and some veggie seasoning. This is a vegetarian dish, so I'm using veggie seasoning. This is gonna give you a great taste. This is the bag that it's from. It's basically made out of vegetables and mushroom. A tablespoon. You can use garlic or black pepper. I'm using white pepper today. If you have black pepper, you use black pepper. If you have white pepper, use white pepper. It doesn't matter. If you don't like pepper, don't use pepper. Mix it up nicely and set it aside. Get you some low sodium soy sauce. My tofu is ready. Check it out. It's nicely dry and it has a little bit of the yellowish on the outside. It's ready to roll, ready to fry. I'm going to pan fry these for a little bit on a high heat on a large wok or large pan. Maybe about 3/4 tablespoons of oil. I'm using canola. Lay these strips in and turn it down to medium heat. This is the consistency that I like, a little golden on all 4 sides. You don't have to do all 4 sides, but I did it. In the meantime, in a little cup, get you about half a teaspoon of sugar and about a couple of tablespoons of soy sauce. Get your tofu brown or golden brown on all corners, ready to roll. My tofu strips are ready. I'm gonna cut these into small cubes. In some oil. And I'm gonna make a little scrambled egg. So 1 egg. Take it out. Next, I'm gonna add some oil and sweat my garlic for a little bit. I mean, kick it around. It smells so good in here right now. For about 30 seconds, I add in my onions. Let it go for about a minute or so. And in my rice. Keep moving things around because I'm cooking with high heat and you don't want anything to sit on the bottom of the pan for so long it's gonna burn. In half of the ingredients, the mixed ingredients around, and just stir it up real quick. The other half is gonna be for the vegetable. A friend of mine has requested me to show her all tofu dishes. Now that's a lot, so I've come up with a series of 8 videos for now to share with her. Some basic tofuing just to scratch the surface. If you enjoy this recipe and you want me to show you more other dishes, please comment down below and let me know. Then crack in your 2 eggs. You can use 3. I only have 3 left, so I use 1 for scramble and 2 for coated with the rice. I like to make this a golden rice. So you got that yellow coated on the outside of the rice. Kind of looks like a yellowish color. You see that? It's already started turning. It's kind of dried up now. So I'm going to kick it around for like another minute or 2 to make sure all the rice is all cooked. And I transfer it back out. Some more oil. Get that soy sauce going and throw in your tofu. I'm going to coat this tofu with some flavor and don't let any tofu run away. If you cook it at home, get every bit of it back in the pot. Take it out. Put in your vegetables. Kind of sweat your vegetable right now. It's sizzling, going on, trying to get all the water out. And add the other half of the seasoning in with your vegetables and cook it around till it's kind of dried up. These vegetables should be already cooked, so you don't have to cook too long. Add in your bean sprout if you have some. If you don't, that's okay. I love bean sprouts, so I just love to throw bean sprouts in with my fried rice if I have any around. And give it a few dashes of soy sauce. Now transfer back in your tofu and your eggs. At this point, I would just kind of turn the heat down and mix them up real nice. Throw in your green onions and kick it around for like another half a minute or a minute. At this point, I can just turn off the heat and continue to stir for another minute or 2 because the bottom of the pan is still hot. I keep on tasting. I mean, this is 2 spoons, but I did taste a lot of spoons. It is so light. It is not salty for me. That's exactly how I like it. You can add some more soy sauce if you like. So I finally got it out in a bowl and get some black pepper. Go in the rice, pretty loose, but it's not greasy. You know, the thing about you go to the restaurant, the other people cook for you, they will throw in a lot of rice, a lot of salt, a lot of sugar. I hope you enjoyed this video and will give it a try and have the love for more tofu. Don't forget to share with the loved ones. I mean, both this video and the food you made. And don't forget to click that thumbs up button. See you next time. Bye bye. If you want to find more ways to enjoy tofu, don't forget to check out my other recipes. I will be sharing more Vietnamese Asian home cooking dishes. If you'd like to learn more about my food, save money, and stay healthy, you are here for the right reason. So click that red subscribe buttons and turn on the bell so you don't miss a single video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.